At RE/MAX Alliance, we know the market. Welcome to August's Market Update. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of July. The number of active listings was up 31% from 1 year earlier and did not change from the previous month. These latest figures mean that buyers had a greater selection of homes to choose from compared to the same month the previous year. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was $800,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days units spent on the market before being sold was up 70%. The higher number of days may signal a slowdown in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just under $800,000. The number of units sold decreased 22% year over year and increased 6% month over month. Despite a slight annual decrease, this upward monthly sales trend indicates positive momentum. This video is brought to you in cooperation with our partner,